So dentists are very famous for our toys. You know, there's a lot of amazing technology in a dental office, and you really shouldn't look at it as toys, because basically if you use the technology properly, all you're going to be doing is enhancing the patient experience. An example is this. Hi, I'm your iTero Element 5D, that's what it says. Well, let me tell you what the Element 5D does. This is an amazing piece of technology that we have several scanners in each of our offices just to make the patient experience better. The first thing it does is it gets rid of those mushy impressions. No matter what you're having done in the office, if it's for a night guard, a crown, Invisalign, this scanner, which happens to be made by the makers of Invisalign, replaces all those mushy impressions. So those impressions are history here at the Dental Care Group. The next thing it does, it gives us what we call a healthy mouth scan. A healthy mouth scan lets us take a look as a 3D view of your entire mouth. It gives us a model. It shows us exactly where your bite is coming together, if your bite is evenly set up. And on top of that, it even uses something called NIRI technology. NIRI technology is near infrared imaging. What that does is we can actually read cavities between teeth today in 2021 without the use of x-rays. Yes, we still do take radiographs, but this is another source to confirm if a patient has cavities between their teeth or not. So this allows you to see what's going on in your mouth. This allows us to have the best view possible so we can give you the best diagnosis. And this is just one example of the great technology that we're using here at our office. If your dentist isn't using something like this, ask them why. If they're still taking those impressions of your mouth and gagging you and choking you and you can't stand that, you should let them know there's a better way, and you demand that from your dentist, that they give you the best technology possible. I'm not trying to get your dentist in trouble, but you deserve the best as a patient. And if you're not getting it, find the places that will give you the best technology, the best service, the things you need as a patient, so you will be happy day after day each time you have to go to the dentist and get a procedure done. So again, this here is the iTero Element 5D. This is the latest and greatest in technology, brought to you by the makers of Invisalign, and we're happy to give you this technology here at the Dental Care Group. Have a great day.